Hello, thanks for dropping into the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm having some strange things happen, and I'm curious. I am curious. If could be, because I've had weird things happen with SID chips that I've never seen before. So I'm wondering if there is something with the power supply that I've been using, maybe on the 9-volt side, that's a little hot. So first, I will take this one here and see that it is reading 5.1445. That's a good thing. So I will take the power supply out that I've been using. I will put the one in, and I want to see what's what. Excuse me. Interesting. That came up, I think, quite a bit faster. All right. I'm going to put the SID chip back in. Look at that. That came up much faster. Well, let's see what happens here. Let's see. I'll slide this over here. Did I ever mark this? Oh yeah, I did. 5.16. I marked it. Okay. So now we're coming up. Okay. Well, that is a beautiful rumble. Now, I do not believe that this other SID chip is going to work now. I don't believe it. I mean, I would like it to be the case, but I don't believe it. So we'll put it in, see if the machine comes up. It does. And we'll see if we hear anything different. And I'm sure the answer is no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There is good reason not to trust these old power supplies. But thankfully, if this was the 9-volt going weird, it wasn't weird enough to cause any permanent damage. But this will not work. There's no way. It was just, yeah, it's dead. Dead, 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 dead. Dead. Dead, 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 dead. Dead. All right. Turn that off. Pull this out. I'll turn this on, and I would bet you this fires up quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, a little bit quicker, maybe. Okay, but it's up. Okay. Now, just because of that anomaly with the power supply, I'm going to pull out the ROM that was okay. I'm going to put the one in that was wonky, and I'm sure it's still going to be wonky. It's a little different wonky. It didn't fill the screen the same way, but it's wonky. And it's flashing. Let's see here. Flashing like the cursor. Let's try that again. Yep. That's wonky. Very, very wonky. So that chip is squirrely. Let's see here. I'll put the diagnostic back in. We'll turn it on. Okay, the dead test is not what I was after. Try this one. Oh yeah. It's so wonky. It is. Really, really wonky. Ooh. So definitely 3 bad chips. And then it seems to come up. And also, I think I have found... Oh, I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. Yeah. Oh, and the cords all look the same. Hey. Okay, come on. Oh. Now, I think what I will do, because I've been doing this, I've been setting things aside, because Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intro is always looking for something interesting, different. All right, Rudy. Say 9 volts? Question mark. Now the 5, it's a little high, just a little bit. 5.21, but I've not had trouble before like this. So but I'm glad to get this out of the way before anything goes catastrophic. I am indeed. Ooh, this is funky. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, and I can't, from what I know, I can't turn the thing around. But what I would like to do is give a close-up shot of this screen doing its thing. So I think what I have to do, I'll try pausing, but it won't work. Okay? Now, when I pause, I cannot turn, like have the camera face the other way kind of thing. So I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to get you a nice close-up shot of the screen. I am. So stand by for the screenshots. David Bradley. I'm your host. Bye for now.